Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean audio file and getting it into Roblox. First, export or convert to MP3 or OGG and make sure your clip meets Roblox length and size limits. This avoids upload errors. You should normalize volume and trim silence so in-game playback is consistent. Once done, sign in, go to Create, pick Audio, then upload your file and add a clear title and tags. This immediate work sets you up to use the sound reliably in studio and in-game. Next, bring that uploaded asset into Roblox Studio and configure playback. You drag a sound object into Workspace or directly into a part, then paste the asset ID into Sound ID so Roblox links to your upload. You must set volume, pitch, and whether it is looping. These parameters control feel and performance. Also decide scope. Attach the sound to a part or player for positional audio, or use sound service for global background music. Make sure to test different listener distances and adjust roll-off settings. Finally, implement the controls that trigger audio and verify behavior. You script play and stop calls or connect sounds to remote events so server and client play correctly. For UI or local effects, play on the client to reduce latency. Test in play and play solo to confirm positional vs global behavior and ensure only permitted assets are used. If audio doesn't play, check moderation status, correct sound ID prefix, and local volume settings. That single troubleshooting step often fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.